Welcome back to Module 5. In this module, we'll show you how to easily create pages for your website using PagePilot. Start by opening the PagePilot dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages, then move to the top right corner and select Create Page. In Step 1, Page Highlights, fill in the required details based on your needs. Add the page name and slug, include alternative slugs if required, and enter the title. You can also add SEO details such as meta title, meta description, and meta keywords. Upload images or any necessary attachments, and fill in additional details such as tags, groups, and author information. Next, move to Step 2, Page Research. Here you'll find multiple research options. Select the relevant categories based on the type of page you want to create. There are multiple items available. Choose the ones that best suit your page. Then click on Step 3, Page Content. By selecting New Section, you can add section titles, upload content images, and include widgets as needed to structure your page. Once completed, proceed to Step 4, Preview. Review the entire page and ensure all details are correctly added. If everything looks good, click on Publish. Your page is now successfully published and live on your website, created effortlessly using PagePilot. In the next module, we'll walk you through how to create app banners using PagePilot. See you in the next module.